Forensic firearm ballistic analysis is the examination of evidence related to the flight path of projectiles or explosive devices. Ballistic analysis is used to reconstruct crime scenes by examining bullets, gunpowder, shell casings in hopes to solve crimes. Investigators can determine where a shooter was standing, what type of gun, and the angle the gun was fired. It is a crucial tool when law enforcement is investigating a shooting. History of ballistic analysis traces back to 1835 when bullets were still made by gunsmiths. In 1925, Calvin Goddard and Philip Gravel invented the comparison microscope. An examiner was enabled to view two bullets simultaneously, so the examiner would need to mentally retain markings from each bullet. Eventually, a more advanced comparison microscope was developed that used two microscopes. It was an optical connective bridge that allowed investigators to view both casings at the same time. There have been very few advancements in the past 100 years until recently. John Song's development of 3D imaging computer analysis has finally brought ballistic testing into the 21st century. 3D ballistic analysis scientists can scan castings from a crime scene and the castings from the suspected gun, which then become a virtual object. The program will give a numerical indicator for each match that is recognized. It takes enhanced images of bullets using topography and colorization for more advanced analysis. 3D forensic ballistic analysis is important when investigating and solving gun crimes. Without this technology, law enforcement officers would need to depend on confessions or catch criminals in the act of conviction. One day in the future, ballistics analysis could revolutionize other crime comparisons like fingerprinting, shoe prints, and tire tracks. They are the reasons I feel our forensic department should be chosen to receive this grant.